if you want can you see that okay? You can do straight, you can do on diagonals, however you would like to do yours. Just want a little bit fun here because it's a really nice background underneath, but I want to do some 3D flowers on the top. Clean up the cuticles a little bit using my gear first. This is so cool though. I like that. Beside the red color, the black colors, the jet black, I really like that color. It's kind of ashes gray. It's perfect for fall coming. Alright, so I have my super cute and easy. I picked some of the beads from High Noons, the new collections of 4D gel, and a little bit of alcohols. If you have water, works as well on the dumping dish. Hey Bella, how are you? Hey Sarah from Pittsburgh, California. Hello, thanks so much. Hey, thank you Dom for sharing. I love the grace one. Thank you Bella. So I am going to pick the smaller. Hold on, maybe I should use the other one. Maybe purple? Purple looks good, huh? I'm trying to get something is more is fall. Oh, let's do the orange. From our first collection. It's gonna look good. Let me pick some of them out. You just need to pick a smaller piece. You don't need a whole lot. Put them here. It doesn't take long. Well, it does if you know what you want to do. Okay, if I need more, I absolutely can get some more. Let's do that one. Pick this one first. I got some fruits on this one. And just pick the smaller beads you're gonna do using the tip of your silicone brush. This is so much fun to do, so easy. I promise it doesn't like it's really easy. It's easier than you doing acrylic. Using the tips and then using a belly of that silicone, a 3D dual brush, and brand. You can move on to the next one. Sorry. There you go. And so one fun and a great things about this, that it doesn't matter how long that take me. Sometimes I do one of the petals and I change my mind, so I want to do different look. Some gray nail polish. I like the gray nail polish too. Looks perfect for fall. I think it's even like all year round. You can absolutely wear that. And then we can continue with the second petals right there. And you just like really light touch. This is for a lot of you who love the sculpting of flowers. So go to next one, and then if you want to change that or adjusting your leaf and stuff, you can absolutely do it as well. There we go. Let's move on to the next one. And you can just like working with this until you're really happy. We can get your the petals to be different way you want, however you want. Is not gonna cure until you are place it under LED light. I do 5 petals. You can do 3 if you put light too. Rosy. Okay. Move on to the next one. I'm going to the second. You can go right in a second. And on this, inside the second rows, I am going to do 3 petals only, or 2. It doesn't matter, however you would like to. Hey, if you wanted to make this one a little bit thicker, you can. So just make sure that you get this one, this second rows, they're all, the bead is same size, so then they're all matching for you. Sometimes it doesn't have to be 100% matching because the flowers are not supposed to be really like match. And on the center, if you want, you can leave it there alone by itself to put some beads on, or you can absolutely make a centers or put crystal on. So I'm going to use some leaf here. Just using the tip of this. Mostly I'm using a tip. What this one just happened. And I haven't cured. Like somehow reasons you don't like your designs, you can absolutely like take it off, put the new one back on. It's really fun about this 40.
Now actually, can you do an ombre nail with those?
Ombre nails with...
I like ombre flower.
Ombre... You can do 2 colors. I mean, you can blend it together. Absolutely, you can.
Oh, so Sweet Ambition, if you like to, we do have those flowers. Pre-made acrylic, look really, really nice.
So in one of the video I was sharing, if you want your leaf to be in like a more, it's like to be a little bit more green between the lighter green and the darker green, you can absolutely custom it by blending 2 colors together. You can do that green, deep greens, and the emerald together, and you blend it together. I'm gonna do one more. And this is super cute flowers. You can do like a 1 layer, or you can do 2 layer. It's up to you. I want fall design, but I still want like have a bright for summer. Debating between the fall and summer. All right, if you're happy with this, we are going to cure. And also, if you want your flower to be in like a little bit more a natural look, you can using the tip of it, slip it up just a little bit. You don't have to, but if you want to, you absolutely can. Just leave the edges right there to make it look soft, look like a leaves. The petals is like a natural look. Before we cure. Okay, so now happy. I am going to cure this one, or if you want to get it's like a little. Let me see if we get one more. Just a little right there. It's fun to do in short nail. Today is a short nails we did yesterday. Really fun. I really enjoyed the live video yesterday as well. You know, every day we have some fun designs. Okay, so now I am going to cure this one.